Aren't you? Alright guys, it's Derek here. We're going to be cleaning the wheels for the car. These ones are the ones that came on the and they came in filthy. In fact, this one's not so bad. Some of the other ones you can see over there are the super dirtiest ones, but basically I'm just going to clean this one and show what I'm doing, and then I'll clean the other ones. And then these tires, although the tread is not too bad on them, they're really old, and so these tires here are going to go onto these wheels after they have been cleaned. I don't know what I'm doing, so we'll see how this goes.
Best way to do things. Sweet.
Okay, so if you want to clean wheels yourself and you don't know which tools that you need paper towels, wheel cleaner spray, drill from IKEA. This one came from Astro Products. This one came with this one. I don't know, old car wax that I found, sandpaper here. These are pretty lightweight wheels. They're a Mark II, an SSR MK2R wheel.
Damn, that's really dirty. Caked on there.
Okay, so start with some sandpaper. We can't really wash in here without taking them apart, and I don't want to clean it that much. Okay, so I'm going to spray some of this. I didn't read the instructions for this, so I'm just going to spray it. Oh, that smells bad.
That means it's good stuff.
Yeah.
And if it starts changing color, which it is, it means it's... Oh, yeah.
This is going to ruin our table, won't it? It's all going to drip down into the table.
Wow, it's purple.
Okay, that is exactly how much that you want to put on.
No more, no less.
And then...
Rewind the video, see how much you use.
And then you leave it on for precisely 27 seconds.
It smells like hairdresser's place.
I was going to say bad passion fruit. But
that's a good band name. And let's give it a wipe now.
I think you leave it to soak in for a bit.
No, I think you leave it to soak in a bit.
Oh, right.
I wipe it off right away. Look at this, it's super purple in this area here.
See?
Bad passion fruit. What should we do then?
Oh, it says open the windows.
Not open.
My hands are too dirty. Someone else open the windows.
It looks like jail bars.
What should we do about it? It's like going to be all stuck in there.
Is there a hose outside?
There is not.
I have a large drink bottle that we could fill water in.
And pour it on our table.
No, not the table. Probably outside.
You needed to spray the wheel with water first, and then leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes.
Derek did say before I did it, I have not read the instructions.
And then...
Look at how clean this is.
You do need water.
To wash it off afterwards?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so we'll pour water over it outside after.
It says pour water hard.
And I hope that that purple stuff doesn't eat away at our paint here. I have a feeling it will.
Yeah.
This is a learning experience for everybody. Ayako, does it say anything about paint on the wheels? Like, make sure you never put this onto painted wheels ever unless you're a big loser.
I didn't see that.
Because I definitely don't want to be a big loser.
I don't want to be a big loser.
Quick, I need the spray bottle. Don't read it. I got to do it while it's wet, right?
Does it say about no paint? Quick, I need
it! Does it use
I'll
center
wipe-
locks?
No. It says don't use it on center lock wheels?
Mhm.
Why would that matter?
I don't know. Or deteriorated wheels.
Oh.
These are deteriorated.
But
What-
like bracket on the surface, if there's any cracks, don't use it.
This side isn't as fun. The other side was way more fun.
Looking good.
Okay.
Shiny race car wheels.
And I turn it over. Oh gosh, look at that.
Yucky.
Oh yeah, look at the ring it left.
Holy. Let's wipe this off and then take it outside and give it a rinse. And Ayako, can you keep supplying us with water?
How?
When we're outside, we'll need like drink bottles
Eh?
of water.
What is that?
Is that just like concentrated brake dust and bad passion?
That's crazy. That's probably good. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, now we're gonna do the rest of this outside because obviously this is too messy of a job to do in our office, and so we got the IKEA drill here. Maybe one of the steps should have been make sure you get a haircut before you do it, because hair in the face is very annoying.
You've got that windswept look going.
Yeah, it's only cool in still images though. Otherwise,
Oh.
it's just hair in your face. To be honest, it's not even that cool in still images. This wax, last time I used this was like 2 years ago. So I don't know if it still exists inside or if it's all solidified. So what you want to do is pour some onto the top, and then you just want to go over it
Liberally.
and dab it
Yeah.
all around like that. Give it some good dabs, and don't worry about getting all up into the hard to reach places. What you don't want to do is smear it on like this. It's all stuck in there. I can't get that out. I need more. I need more brains. Are you ready?
Ready. Am I gonna get flung?
Yep.
It's stopping, man.
Okay, so for the last step, we just want to polish all of this off and get a nice bright luster.
Luster?
Yeah, it's a technical term, man. All the
Sweet.
people, all the YouTube detailers talk about luster. So we're gonna want some luster here, and to get luster, it's like you just go like this.
A lot.
Yeah. And that is how you clean your wheels when you don't know how to clean wheels. Let's put them in the sun, and then we can do some glamour shots.
Glamour shots.
Oh, so clean. So fresh. What?
Damn.
Mike say, and I'm out.
Damn, Derek, I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Screwing up washing wheels should be no longer than about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, all 4 of them done. All 4 of them nice and shiny. And probably pat yourself on the back for a good 7.5 out of 10 job there.
Aim in the middle of the road.
And the tires are mounted. One more step complete. So that's the Nankang AR1s.
They're super shiny.
And it's super sticky. Yeah, actually put it up like that because that looks cool. Put it inside and it can be like an office decor.
Oh, yeah. Do we want to look at it as when we walk in or when we turn around?
I think all the time.
All
Every time that we walk in, it's that person's job to turn the tire around.
Last one in the office, turn the tire. Yeah. Because you don't want to see it from the back.
Look at that dish.
Ooh.
Oh, can't get enough. Does that sound cool?
Yeah.